Hi, I'm Neil with ArrKann Trailer. I'm going to introduce you to the Winnebago Voyage. This Voyage is a 2427 RB, stands for rear bath. Come on with me. First, we have the 3/4 length molded fiberglass cap in the front and the rock guard. This has spare tires under the A-frame. It has 2 propane tanks in the front and a power tongue jack as well. There will be stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners of this coach, as well as a quick connect LP that runs to your front tanks right off the side here. And that's if you had your own barbecue or some sort of RVQ, you could set it up right here. What I want to show you also is the size of this front pass-through storage. They're able to make it this big on this particular trailer because what they have is a drop frame. So basically the chassis is specifically designed for this trailer by Winnebago, and it goes down about a foot, drops in the front, and then follows it over. And that's how they get the big pass-through storage. The storage compartment door is thicker than most at about 1 inch thick, and it's slam latch as well as a magnet catch. Easy to use. You can see here it's got a full 1-piece power awning. It's a 2nd generation power awning, so you can adjust the pitch or the tilt once it's set up. And there's a full strip of LED lighting as well to illuminate your campground. 2 entrances into this trailer. The main entrance is at the back, and it is a wider entrance than most trailers at 30 inches. Also, the interior ceiling height is higher than most at 7 feet. You'll see with me how comfortable it is to stand in there. Another feature to the Winnebago Voyage is its suspension. It's an independent suspension. Instead of leaf spring, it works, it's a torsion axle, and it's a smooth ride. Come on with me inside. So the one thing I mentioned out there was the 7-foot high ceilings. You know, I sure do notice it in here. It feels almost like a profile of a 5th wheel. They are flat roof, but instead of some with barreled ceiling, it's just as high, but it's all the way across, and that allows for a higher slide as well. So I can fit right underneath the slide opening too, which is rare for me in a travel trailer. It really has that residential feel to it. So this floor plan, the rear bath, first it has a Shea lounge right across from the entertainment center, featuring the LCD flat screen TV. The entertainment center piece with Bluetooth connectivity, and then the fireplace as well. We've got an L-shaped kitchen here with extra counter space, a nice bank of drawers, residential style inlay stainless steel sink with the spray faucet, the range, the oven, the microwave, and a 2-door, 2-way fridge. It's a true camping fridge. You know, a lot of trailers are putting in electric only. This one works off propane or electricity. Yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit more about this Shea lounge chair sofa. This actually folds out to a full-size bed as well. So it has a platform, and it makes out into a good-sized bed if you had to accommodate extra people sleeping with you, and there's a good amount of storage underneath it as well. Come with me to the master bedroom. For privacy, in case you did have extra people sleeping with you in the coach, you have a full-size sliding door that closes off. And the queen island bed that is actually a king. My apologies, it's a king island bed. Lots of room, storage underneath it. You've got wardrobe cupboards on both sides, as well as night tables with plug-ins and USB chargers. You know, when Winnebago came up with this design of trailers, they wanted to really think about anybody that uses a CPAP machine to have a comfortable place to put their machine, plug it in, and it can work in all the models. I'm going to go out this way in the 2nd entrance. I'll meet you over there. So 2 more great features to this floor plan. One, of course, is the large rear bath. Big barn door style sliding door that closes it off, but it has a nice size sink, countertop, lots of storage. And on the other side of the commode is a really good size neo-angled shower with full surround. A few other features to this trailer. It has a 6-gallon hot water tank, which is direct spark ignition, works off gas and electricity, which means that not only propane, but you could activate it off of a 110-volt element inside too, which basically almost doubles your water capacity with a quicker recovery. and the in-law suite. Sorry, the walk-in closet. Once again, you know, when you're camping, you can't choose what kind of weather it's going to be, but you can be prepared for any kind of weather. So this is a great area for storage, all sorts of extra footwear and coats and your scarves. Thanks again for joining me. This is Neil, ArrKann Trailer. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to ArrKann YouTube channel for more informative videos, upcoming promotions, and some technical service videos too.